Under the pretext of preserving social stability, the Chinese government still tries to extinct Uyghur culture. Islam, with its Quranic way of life, is an integral part of Uyghur culture. In East Turkestan, any affiliation to Islam is being punished. The inhabitants of the region are even being forced to denounce their fellow citizens. We already reported. As the Turkestan Times reports, a merger of all authorities in Aksu set up a deadline till the end of the month in which the citizens of East Turkestan have to report suspects. Suspects are so-called Muslim separatists, religious radicals, or terrorists. A student association of the Karamanoglu Mehmet Bey University in Karaman initiated a conference under the motto Forgotten Fatherland, East Turkestan. Various clubs and representatives came together to listen to, among others, the director of the Ma'arif Association, Abdullahat Abdurrahman, who spoke about the current situation in East Turkestan. The Gazi Osman University in Eskişehir also invited Sayyid Timturk, president of the Uyghur National Committee, to answer questions from students about the crisis in the region. The Russian Ministry of Defense has shared a video on YouTube showing the practice starts of the anti-ship uranium missile complex in the Baltic Sea. 2 cruise missiles are fired from aboard the corvette Stoichki and hit targets floating in the water more than 30 kilometers away. Iranian Foreign Minister Mohammad Javad Zarif calls for US policy to be counteracted, whose unilateral actions also threatens other nations. Zarif visited the 16th Foreign Affairs Ministers meeting of the Asian Dialogue on Cooperation and criticized the United States position. In a telephone conversation with Sergei Lavrov, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo calls for an end to Russian support for Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. The risk of destabilizing Venezuela and burdening the relationship between Russia and the US are possible consequences of Russia's intervention into the Venezuela conflict. As Pompeo mentioned to Fox Business, a military intervention in the situation is quite possible. If the situation requires it, we will act accordingly. Nevertheless, our government prefers a peaceful transfer of power.